Aruba. Last time we were here, we were riding ATVs, jet skiing, wandering around in order to discover everything this Dutch desert island had to offer. Sometimes, there's places you have to visit twice. Maybe because of the friendly atmosphere or the notorious slogan of one happy island. Or maybe it's the crack they put in the tap water. It's good. And I'm back for more. You guessed it.
This time, I'm back in Aruba.
With friends. A gang of misfits who are surely going to leave a mark before they leave this country. We came to eat, and we came to explore. Join us for a 4-part series, soaking in all the fun. And there's me. We're taking on Aruba. It's always bittersweet towards the end of a voyage, but we're not out of gas just yet. Jackie and I got up early to catch the sunrise. It was as if someone lit a match up to the sky and set it on fire. Blazing. I've never seen anything like it before. We packed up and drove past Eagle Beach to get to our next destination, the Renaissance Hotel in Aruba's capital, Oranjestad. We said our goodbyes to Nancy and Siwan since they had a plane to catch. But we had a boat to catch too. After checking out the pool and into our room, we quickly put on our bathing suits and made our way to the pickup spot.
On our way to the private island, let's go.
Where is this boat taking us exactly? Renaissance Island, a private island accessible only by staying at the resort. Or if you just want to see the island, you can try to snag a day pass by calling early in the morning. It's adults only, which makes it that much more worth it. Separated by 2 sides, Iguana and Flamingo Beach. The names are pretty self-explanatory. But I had to break these two up. What am I going to do with you two? And for only $1, you can buy food for these birds. They aren't afraid to get close to you either. You're in their world. We grabbed some drinks from a nearby bar and restaurant, Papagayo. They also have servers walking around so you can order food directly from the stand. They'll even crack a joke once in a while.
Hey, a shark over there, don't worry.
So what'd you order, dude?
Patacón de pollo, fried plantains, pulled chicken, tomato, avocado, queso.
That looks amazing. What'd you guys order?
Calamari.
Fries.
This is the perfect place to be when you just want to get away from it all. A tropical oasis. There's a floating barge out in the water, which provides an extra layer of isolation.
There it is.
Floating beds and snorkel gear is also included if you're staying at the resort. We took the last water taxi back, and the sunset was unreal. After a quick dip in the pool, we had dinner plans. Yemanja, a seafood and steakhouse serving meals off a wood-fired grill with a tropical ambiance. Located right around the corner of the Renaissance. I seem to mention a lot that this island has amazing bread. It's true. With the garlic butter and tapenade bread to go on top. It's first class. The French fries with truffle aioli is a must-try, along with grilled chicken strips. Also being vegan-friendly, you can order dishes like the Yemanja Power Bowl. Delicious. You can't start the day off right without a cup of coffee and a view. We continued our final day at the Renaissance Island, getting in the last little bit of sun and fun with the flamingos and iguanas. Flamingos in Aruba are not native. They came over from the neighboring country of Bonaire. Stopping by the fish shack for some afternoon grub. The yuca and green fried plantains are out of this world.
Does it taste fresh?
You got good old yuca fries. You can never go wrong with that. Some type of like cilantro, onion dip right here. It's like starch heaven. Guacamole.
Then I proceeded to take a 15-minute break to reflect on my gluttony. Back to it. There's a mangrove in between both beaches filled with low-hanging hammocks surrounded by crystal clear waters.
It's a little slippery.
If opportunity arises, you have to make it here. It's paradise. We enjoyed our final moments lounging out on the barge. With lounges located all over, you can do some plane spotting across from the airport without any obstructed views. Legit. We took a late-night stroll through town for an American favorite, Taco Bell. I've been stigmatized for loving this establishment way too much. And I also realized this was going to be the last time I eat a Mexican pizza ever again. R.I.P. We spent our final evening strolling back to the hotel, stopping by for a quick swing sesh, before watching the elections take place back home. We were terrified. One of the best parts of this trip was being the only passengers on our flight back home. What can I say? Aruba truly lives up to the hype. One happy island. From sailing the open blue like pirates, exploring historical caves, swimming in natural pools, celebrating the future, or just lounging in the sand. This gang of misfits has surely left a mark on Aruba. Or was it the other way around? Thank you for taking this journey with us. And thank you for the awesome hospitality and friendly atmosphere. The crack in the tap water? Never gonna forget that. It's really that good. And I'll be back for more. We'll always have these memories to look back on. So for the last time, keep those seatbelts buckled because we're taking on Aruba.